Let us understand what health insurance policy is all about. A health insurance policy is a contract between the insurer and policyholder in which the insurance company provides financial coverage for medical expenses incurred by the insured. A health policy provides benefit of reimbursement of medical expenses or cashless treatment mentioned in the health policy. You must be wondering why we need a health insurance policy in the first place. Health emergencies do not come with prior notice. With our sedentary lifestyles, more and more people are becoming prone to lifestyle diseases. There is an increase in demand for quality healthcare services and medical treatments. And without a proper insurance plan, hospital bills are enough to drain out someone's savings. Therefore, a health insurance plan becomes an absolute necessity for each one of us. Medical inflation in India has been 15% over the past few years, and a health insurance policy helps people to be able to pay for expensive medical treatments, hospital bills in case of an illness or accidental injury. Let us now understand why we need a health insurance plan in India and what its benefits are. A health insurance policy can pay for hospitalization expenses, medication, laboratory test cost, ambulance, doctor fees, OPD expenses, etc. It helps in minimizing your out-of-the-pocket expenses with a cashless medical treatment facility in the network hospitals. Even those who are planning a family can buy a health insurance plan to get a maternity and newborn baby cover. The cost of major surgeries like liver transplantation, open heart surgery, and daycare treatments like cataract surgery are also paid by the insurer if you have a medical insurance policy. Nowadays, amid the coronavirus outbreak, it is all the more important to have a medical insurance plan that covers the cost of treatment, including the cost of PPE kits, masks, ventilators, ICU charges, etc. A health insurance policy helps you and your family enjoy their peace of mind without worrying about the future hospitalization or a medical emergency which can otherwise drain a major portion of your savings. A health insurance policy empowers the policyholder with many additional benefits such as cashless medical treatment, coverage of pre and post hospitalization expenses, ambulance fee, no claim bonus, medical checkup facility, co-payment, tax benefits. Now that we know what health insurance policy is and why we need it, let us go through the type of policies available in Indian market. Individual health insurance plan. Individual health insurance plans offer insurance protection with benefits such as cashless hospitalization, reimbursement, compensation for expenses incurred on pre- and post-hospitalization expenses, and many more. The individual health plans come with add-on covers as well to enhance the basic health insurance coverage at a minimal premium. Family health insurance. Family health insurance offers insurance coverage to entire family against a single premium. Under this health plan, a defined sum insured is divided among the policy members equally, which can be availed either by one or all members of a family for one or more claims during the tenure of the policy. With a family health plan, almost all the members of the family can be added under a single health insurance premium. Senior Citizen Health Insurance. Senior Citizen Health Insurance Plan offers insurance coverage to the age group 60 and above. The health insurance plan covers hospitalization expenses including inpatient expenses, OPD expenses, daycare procedure, pre- and post-hospitalization expenses along with a tax deduction benefit under Section 80D. Critical Illness Health Insurance. Critical illness health insurance plans offer a lump sum amount in case the insured is diagnosed with a critical illness such as kidney failure, paralysis, cancer, heart attack, etc. Usually, this is taken as a standalone policy or as a rider. The sum insured is predefined, where the insured has to survive a particular survival period after being diagnosed to avail the policy benefits. Maternity health insurance. The maternity health insurance plans offer coverage for maternity expenses incurred during both pre- and postnatal care, child delivery, normal or cesarean. Some providers also include expenses incurred on vaccination of newborn babies in a maternity health insurance plan. Personal accident insurance. Personal accident insurance is a rider cover that offers insurance coverage in case of an accident leading to disability or death. The policy coverage includes hospitalization and bears the medical outlay in the event of an accident. The fixed monetary benefit is offered in case of an unfortunate event leading to loss of income. Unit Linked Health Insurance Plan (ULHP). Unit Linked Health Insurance Plan is a type of health plan which has been introduced recently. It offers a unique combination of health insurance and investment. Apart from giving health protection, ULHPs also contribute to building a corpus that can be used to meet the expenditures that are not covered by the health insurance plan. Group Health Insurance Plans. More than 80% of employers these days provide health coverage to their employees. The health insurance offered by an employer covers hospitalization expenses of the employee and his or her family, including spouse, children, or parents. It is a wise decision to opt for the Mediclaim offered by your company, as you need not pay any premium. This comes under a group health insurance policy and the premium is paid by the employer based on the group size and the benefits offered. COVID-19 health insurance plans. Post-COVID-19 outbreak, the IRDAI has also launched two coronavirus-specific health insurance plans, that is, Corona Kavach Health Plan and Corona Rakshak Health Insurance Plan. Corona Kavach is a family floater plan, while Corona Rakshak is an individual coverage-based plan. Both the policies cover COVID-19 hospitalization expenses, including the cost of consumable items like masks, gloves, PPE kits, oximeter, ventilators, etc. that make the major portion of the hospital bills. One should be really wise when choosing a health insurance policy. All the documents should be thoroughly vetted and truthful information should be provided to the insurance company to avoid conflicts in future. Now you are able to understand what health insurance policy is all about. I thank you so much for watching.